In 2016, I was working for a corporate company. I was working on a desk for many hours. I was not happy. I was having I was having a stable job, but I was not having freedom. I started building my own business on e-commerce platform, and today my products ship globally across USA and UK and many more. I did this with a simple systems and with no office, with no factory, with no fancy setup. I did with simple laptop. So guys, you can also do this, isn't it? Hi guys, my name is Amrothraj Isaac. Today I have multiple brands across USA and UK. My products ship from India across the globe, and many of my customer receive my products shipping from India to a global marketplaces. So now I just follow a simple process which is called Amazon FBA business. Now today I wanted to explain how this business works, how you can start your export business from your laptop on your comfort. Let me share my screen. Okay. So if you can see my screen, India is a mysterious country, I would say. India has diversity. India has multicultural systems. India has lot of good products which has global exposure, which has global demand. If you know, Indian products are well known for textiles, Ayurvedic herbs, home and kitchen products, natural soaps and oils, and spiritual and yoga products. Now, Indian soil is so rich in minerals, and we have products which no country can produce. Like India has Ayurveda, which no country can have this. You can take leverage of these goods, and Western countries, Western people love these products. Now, what is the best time to start, this business? Right now, in this 2025, this is the right year to start the business, because the the global economy, in fact, is changing rapidly. Global systems are changing rapidly with respect to the export, the tariffs which America is putting on different countries. All these things are happening. Now, India being a stable, being a diversified country, we can take leverage of the system. Indian government is you know, encouraging our entrepreneurs, young entrepreneurs, to start this export business. And in fact, business itself, they are providing all kind of resources for us to do the export business. They are making easy. You did not to you need not to have crores of business to start. Back then, we need all the resources to start a export business, but nowadays it is all simple, it is all online. Many companies are coming up to help the Indian entrepreneurs to build the systems. So now you need to have a profitable business and a laptop and a vision to start this international e-commerce or international export business. Now, you can source products from India and export to different countries. Like I exported my products sitting in Hyderabad office to the USA, sourcing from Rajasthan. The system is completely different altogether. You can also do this. You only need few simple tools, and you just need a simple laptop to do this. Now I followed a simple system called Amazon FBA. What exactly this Amazon FBA is all about? FBA, the name implies fulfillment by Amazon, and this is a system altogether. Amazon does not only ship the products, but it also pack the products. It also take care of the customer queries. It also handles the returns of the product. These systems are already in place. All you need to identify a good product and ship the products to the Amazon FBA warehouse and start selling. Now there are four simple steps, you can say, where you can leverage and start the process, and start selling the goods on international marketplaces. First thing, you need to do the research. The research plays a vital role in launching a product. Now you like a product and I like the product, but it's not. essential that the customer should also like. You need to identify what is the customer need, what is the gap of the market. With that, you can build your own product. To do this, you need to do the research. You can take the leverage of the tools like AI, or Amazon platform itself, or the Google Trends. All other tools will help you to identify the niche. It will help you to identify the exact product that you wanted to launch. And you need to source the product, and you need to properly brand it. You need to source the product, especially catering to the international customers. Now, India being a country where you can source product across the country. It's not only the focused at one area, but you can source wherever you are in India. You can find products which are located in your local area, and see whether those products have an international exposure. Now you need to find a supplier to build the product for you, and it is easy to find a supplier like India Mart and all those places where you can find suppliers. Yes, you can source products from international marketplaces like Alibaba or any other platform, but India has a good demand. And as these systems are, as this tariffs and all these stuffs are happening at the back end, you can take leverage of sourcing products from India. And shipping is simple. You can pack the products, and any logistic person, any logistic company around your area can take care of your hand shipping the goods. While the goods are being shipped, you can create your listing on Amazon platform. You can list your product on Amazon platform, and you start selling. That's it, guys. This is simple. And I followed the same simple process until now. I followed the same process in building the products, and I launched multiple brands till now, and I follow the same simple process. And it is not a rocket science. All the systems are in place. Only thing you need to work on it day by day. And today, I sell $1 million worth of goods in international marketplaces. I started small. When I started with a simple few boxes of units. I shipped a fabric product to the USA, and I start selling. It was $19 product. And I still remember those first initial sales. I was seeing dollars coming into my account. I was having my stable job. On top of it, I was making these dollars. It was completely different feel altogether. What it makes that you can generate few extra dollars on top of what you're doing it. While I was doing it, I could able to quit my job, and I could able to systemize those uh, uh, activities of the business. And today I make $1 million business by shipping the goods to the international marketplaces, which happened with a small investment, or small returns that I have seen. So anyone can do this. You can start smart, you can start small and do this. I made mistakes. I made many mistakes, and which made me to understand these principles. Now now the India is raising, and India is a country where you can explore products. And India is a culture where you have talent, you have resources. And I wanted to build such entrepreneurs. My aim is to build around 10,000 Indian entrepreneurs who build the products and take the products to international brands, who build brands, Indian brands or international brands, and take our Indian goods to international marketplaces and sell. If you get inspired by this video, please click the subscribe button and like this video. If you have any questions, you can put it on the comments. I'm happy to answer. I'll be doing more such videos in the future. And until then, see you. Bye bye.